everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on the river from the 11th to the 15th of July 2022 on Monday. Emma refuses to let sleeping dogs lie. Morena gets a taste of freedom and the Hlophe Dikana partnership hangs in the balance on Tuesday. Lindiwe and Zweli finally get Zolani to make a decision. Beauty meets her match and Morena's best life isn't what he thought it will be on Wednesday. Zolani shares his painful truth while Beauty loses her balance on Thursday. Tension continued to build among the Dlaminis just as Morena shoots his shot and Beauty is burnt by Mlilo's fire on Friday. Lindiwe makes its mission to dissolve the tension in her home. The push and pull between Beauty and her new project continues, and Morena's great plan don't pan out the way he hoped. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.